Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Mini Bowdabra and make this adorable ponytail holder. So let's get started. So this is our Mini Bowdabra, and with the Mini Bowdabra, it's just really tiny. You can see it's not very big. It kind of fits right in my one hand. And underneath here we have springs, so it's going to automatically adjust as I put the ribbon or whatever I want into the Mini Bowdabra. Then what I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire. I'm just going to cut a piece that's long enough that I can just lay it down into my Mini Bowdabra, fold it in half, and I'm just tucking the ends underneath. As you can see, there's nothing that I'm attaching it to. It's just tucking it so it stays out of my way. Then what I'm going to do is take my ribbon, and this is a very lightly wired ribbon, so it isn't going to hurt a little baby or a child's hair. So here what I'm doing is I'm making a little, it's kind of hard to see because it's black, but I'm making a little mountain, and then you can see with my finger there's like a little valley there, and then the little valley on this side. And I'm going to just lay that down into my Bowdabra. Then I'm going to come back over here, and I'm going to take the right side of the ribbon, put that down, and I'm just going to do the same thing with my little mountain and put that in there. So now what I'm going to do is bring this ribbon and make an X. So I'm just going to make an X there, bring it around, and I'm just going to do the same thing here and make a little thing. And I just want to make sure that my two pieces are the same size, so that way my loops are going to be the same size. So then I'm going to take this here, bring that down into my Mini Bowdabra, and I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So I'm going to take the loop, the mount, like my little mountain, and scrunch it down. So you're going to see that we have the little valleys here. So I have a mountain here, a little valley, and a little valley, and put that in. So now my loops are the same size. And then I'm going to take my corker ribbon and just lay the corker ribbon in here. Get my black corker. And I get these off of Amazon, and they're pre-made, so I don't need to worry about getting a dowel and doing all the work to actually make the corker ribbon. So now I'm going to take this here, bring this up, bring it through my slip knot, pull it tight while it's still in my Bowdabra, pull it out. I'm going to separate the ends, bring it around to the back, tie a knot, and tie another knot. And we do have a hair bow tool and ruler, where you can actually measure everything. And then what I'm going to do is take my ponytail holder. Now you could use a clip if you wanted. You could use an alligator clip, but this time I'm making a ponytail. So I'm going to just bring this up here, tie it. I'm going to tie a knot. And now I'm just going to clip this really close. And now I'm going to just shape out my bow. And I like the wired because I just think it lets it stand up and be a little bit more. So you can see you have this really adorable boutique bow that was super, super simple to make.